Do you know what is DevSecOps? What are the benefits of DevSecOps? How to implement DevSecOps? If not, this video is for you. And as always, I will ask 2 questions based on the content of the tutorial, so let's get started. What is DevSecOps? If we break DevSecOps into parts, these parts will be software or infrastructure development, security, and operations. So DevSecOps is the philosophy of integrating security practices within the DevOps process. DevSecOps means thinking about application and infrastructure security from the start. DevSecOps is a natural and necessary response to the bottleneck effect of older security models on the modern continuous delivery pipeline. The goal is to bridge traditional gaps between IT and security while ensuring fast, safe delivery of code. Silo thinking is replaced by increased communication and shared responsibility of security tasks during all phases of the delivery process. In DevSecOps, 2 seemingly opposing goals, speed of delivery and secure code, are merged into one streamlined process. In alignment with lean practices in Agile, security testing is done in iterations without slowing down delivery cycles. Critical security issues are dealt with as they become apparent, not after a threat or compromise has occurred. DevSecOps involves creating a security as code culture with ongoing flexible collaboration between release engineers and security teams. The DevSecOps movement, like DevOps itself, is focused on creating new solutions for complex software development processes within an agile framework. Benefits of a DevSecOps approach. There are many-fold benefits of DevSecOps approach. A few of them are an ability to respond to change and needs rapidly, greater speed and agility for security teams, more opportunities for automated builds and quality assurance testing, early identification of vulnerabilities in code, team member assets are free to work on high-value work, better collaboration and communication among teams. How to implement DevSecOps? Culture and technical shift towards a DevSecOps approach helps enterprises address security threats more effectively in real time. It is important to view security teams as a valuable asset that help prevent slowdowns rather than a hindrance to agility. Here are 6 important components of a DevSecOps approach. 1. Code analysis. Codes are delivered in small chunks so vulnerabilities can be identified quickly. 2. Change management. Robust change management increases speed and efficiency by allowing anyone to submit changes. Then determine whether the change is good or bad. 3. Compliance monitoring. Readiness for an audit at any time. 4. Threat investigation. Potential emerging threats with each code update are identified and responded quickly. 5. Vulnerability assessment. New vulnerabilities with code analysis are identified. Then analyze how quickly they are being responded to and patched. 6. Security training. Train software and IT engineers with guidelines for set routines. Questions. 1. DevSecOps should be implemented from the very start of the development. This statement is A. True, B. False. 2. DevSecOps allows to have greater speed and agility for security teams. This statement is A. True, B. False. We will share the answers once we have 10 answers mentioned in the comment section.